In this video, I'll show you how to add your Bybit virtual card to your Apple Pay wallet. So first of all, you would like to check if you have, first of all, the Bybit virtual card. If you don't have one, you can just go to bybit.com/cards and you'll be able to get your card from here or apply for one if you don't have one already. Just go and click on that and you can apply for your Bybit card. And as you can see, it could be a virtual or a physical card. You can even get a physical card if you want to. So once you click on that, you'll have to verify yourself if you haven't verified yet, add any other informations, and you should have the card soon enough. I don't remember how much time it will take for the processing, but when you have your card, just go to your phone, like as you can see right here, and all you need to do, just go and look for wallets or Apple Pay wallet. So once you're here, just go and click on the plus button at the top right. Once you do so, you'll have to add it as any normal debit card. So click on debit or credit card right here, click on continue. Of course, if you applied for a physical card and you do have the physical card, as you can see here, all you need to do, just hold your phone near the card, hold your iPhone near the chip card, and it will be added manually into your phone. But if you don't have it physically and you just have the virtual card and you want to add it manually, so click on enter card details manually. And once you do here, all you need to do, just enter your card number. Of course, you can even scan if you have a QR code on Bybit. And basically, all you need to do is just keep in mind that your name must match the name on the card that you have on Bybit. If it's not, it will not be able to be added. So once you add an example here, the numbers of your card, just click on next, and your card should be added to your wallet. Of course, here I just added some random numbers. That's why I get this in error right here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.